Hi friends, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is fine. If you are watching my videos for the first time, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for the further notifications and do comment for betterment of my channel. Today I will try to discuss about the ECET exam pattern. Please stay tuned. So regarding ECET FDH, ECET FDH is nothing but Engineering Common Entrance Test for diploma holders, which is the exam conducted for lateral admission into second years, regular for entrance into regular BE Tech courses in either universities or affiliated college. Universities, that may be a deemed universities or autonomous. Coming to the affiliated, like JNT affiliated college, like that. Is it okay? And coming to the exam pattern, before 2017, the exam used to be offline mode, and later on from 2017 the exam pattern has been changed to CBT. CBT is nothing but it's a computer based test. Next we'll see about the pattern of TS ECET 2020. Here the general paper will be having mathematics, physics and chemistry 50, 25, 25 marks, and engineering paper will be for 100 marks. This is the exam pattern. And coming to the duration of exam and the number of questions we should be, actually it is 3 hours, means 180 minutes and 200 questions will be there. And regarding the qualifying marks in TS ECET is 25% of the total aggregate marks. Here total aggregate marks is nothing but 200 marks. So one should get 50 marks as a qualifying so as to get qualified in TS ECET. And but for SC ST there is no minimum marks given for the ranking. Next, how the evaluation and ranking can be done, and based upon that the integrated rank will be given to the candidate. Suppose for example, if n number of students are there, they have got tied in the marks. If suppose 2 persons consider, 2 persons got same 80 marks and 80 marks overall for 200 marks, so then they will be considering the engineering marks total. If they are also getting tied, they will be going for a mathematics subject, and if in the maths also they got same marks, they will be going for physics. And further, if the total marks are getting same equal in engineering, mathematics and physics, then they go for age factor. Means here age factor is nothing but at the time of admission, older will be given as the preference. For getting the admission into the colleges. This is the basic pattern and duration, qualifying marks and evaluation pattern of the ECET. And last and finally, because of this the lockdown effect has been going on increasing, the TS ECET website has been revised. The last date for submission of application through online mode is 5/5/2020. So I request for the students, those who are not at all submitted the application, can apply through online mode. And the tentative exam as per the newspaper clippings is it may be around 3rd week of the June 2020. So I think more than 1.5 months, means almost 50 to 60 days are there for your preparation. Even now you can also start your preparation. All the best. Thank you.